To give villagers jobs in Minecraft, you need to understand how the game's villager system works. Villagers are non-player characters that can be found in villages, and they can be assigned various jobs to make them more useful. The first step is to find a villager and make sure they are not already assigned a job. You can do this by looking at the villager's profession block above their head, if they have one. Next, you need to provide a valid job site block for the villager to claim. Job site blocks are specific blocks that correspond to different professions, such as a crafting table for a craftsman or a furnace for a blacksmith. Place the job site block near the villager, and make sure it is accessible to them. Once the job site block is in place, the villager will claim it and become a worker. You can verify this by looking at the villager's profession block, which should now indicate their new job. The type of job the villager gets will depend on the type of job site block you provided. Some key concepts to keep in mind when giving villagers jobs are that each villager can only claim one job site block, and multiple villagers can claim the same type of job site block. This means you can have multiple villagers working as craftsmen. For example, as long as you provide multiple crafting tables. To make the most of the villager job system, it is a good idea to build a village with multiple job site blocks, and to assign villagers to jobs that are relevant to your needs. For example, if you need a lot of food, you can assign villagers to work as farmers. If you need a lot of tools, you can assign villagers to work as blacksmiths. By following these steps and understanding how the villager job system works, you can create a thriving village in Minecraft with villagers who are working together to provide you with the resources you need.